Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Snort Something again. Snort some! How's it going? Just finished walking out the building. Had a good day today. What's on agenda after work? Let's say gym time, baby. Let's get it. Let's get out this bad boy. Whoa, gotta watch out for the car. Woo, you hear that? Do you hear that? Yeah, they hear it. That man look kind of good. See the rolly? Big boy shit. Yeah, worked hard for it. Worked real hard. But yeah, I'm out there. So guys, just to give you a little background, you know, my name is Robert. Why do I name myself Snort Something? It's a long story. We were in college, I believe my sophomore year, and we were just riding, and something was just like, I think we were listening to Lil Wayne, and something was just like snorted. Then I just took snorted to snort something, and by the grace of God, it's been my tag for a long time. I don't want everybody to get it confused, misconstrued, thinking that I actually snort something. No, it's just the name of myself, But yeah, I retrieved that name back at Elizabeth City State University. Then, which soon I had to transfer because I couldn't do no HBCU. I love my black people to death, but man, you talking about I don't even want to put them on blast, but